Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. As most of the time I follow members in the Telegram and the Twitter, they are always asking me to make a video on the gun fan, how to plot it on the chart. So in this today's video, I will cover what is the gun fan, how to plot it on chart, and what is the benefit of it. So would like to highlight that each tools and the strategy need the practice and time. So I hope you will do your best practice before implement in your daily trading. And if you are a new member in this channel, please subscribe for the valuable learning video. And if you like this video, please do not forget to like before you go. So let's begin. So first of all, I will explain that what is the gun fan. In short, I will say that the gun fan was developed by W.D. Gunn, and the gun fan are the form of a technical the analysis based on the idea that the market is geometric in the nature, and the gun fans consist of like a series of fans called the gun angles. What is the gun angles? This is called gun angles. You can see here 1, 8, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2 and all. So sure, in your mind comes the question that what is the difference in the trend line and the gun fan. The trend line you will draw with this each point. You will join to this low, to this low, and make a one trend line. But these gun fans are consist of a series of a line called the gun angle, because each individual line is based on the angles. So in this video we will see later on that how to deploy it also for that. So then the second things comes in the mind that what is the use of it, why we need to do it this. Is it just because of colorful? No, right? Because this always it helps you to identify your support and resistance level. It helps to predict your future price and the movement. It may not be accurate, but at least it give you a hint that okay, at this place, like if you are looking at this chart, right, once it comes to this near trend line, it takes support, right? So in the future, if you are trading that, you know that okay, once it comes here, if you have a position of short, at least you will take cover your position and then wait for that. If it's further down like this one break, just go ahead with the another short, then wait for that. And later I will explain that what is considered as a bullish and what is considered as a bearish in this gun fan also. And always the gun fan is start with the swing low and swing high. At this image you are seeing that Maruti, I have put the two gun fan, right? So that's why it's creating the squares over here. This is like a consolidation period. So between these two lines, whenever it's a cross or sustain, then it's considered as a consolidation period, right? So like okay, I'll zoom out, then we will see that how it is. All right, see here, this was the swing high, so I plotted over here, and then when it went to the March, it made to low over here, so I draw another one. So for here I can get this double chart to more accuracy on that I know that where is the next resistance and all. Even the recently my live video on the YouTube, that someone asked me that is there a chance to a bounce back from this Maruti, then I say no, there is still chance to it fall further down, because I was expecting at this level, and here you can see there is a trend line also. So we will expecting a bounce or take support from this level, right? Okay, and then the other thing it comes in the mind that how we know it's in uptrend or the downtrend. Is these things help us? Yes, this thing will help you, right? Okay, so if it's in like a uptrend, right, if the price stays in the space above an ascending line, this is called ascending line, right? This is ascending angle. If the price is stay below means between this and not break the low of the previous, it consider as a bullish. The same the other way, right? When this is considered as descending line, and if your price are moving between this line and not break the previous high, it is considered as a bearish, right? So this is the how it's help us in the gun fan, and it's very easy to plot it in the chart also. Like these are the some, like I keep it over here, that I always see also. Like Nifty, I draw it first, then I consider, I check this level also, And another one, Nifty Bank, it really helps me. Nifty Bank last time when it was trading here, and then that's how I say a target of this. All right, then you see the consolidation over here, take support here, also support when it was trading here, and then I draw this one and share in my Telegram also. And if you are not member in Telegram, the links given below in the description, so you can join also in Telegram for the valuable videos, and also I'll share some charts reading as well for the stocks and the indexes also. So let's go to the blank chart, and then I will draw to gun fan, that you will learn easily and the faster on that. So I have put here the two stocks, because any stock you can take, because this is like always we need swing high and swing low. So first we will see over here, right? So when it was started up move, we need to find the swing low. So here we can see a swing low. First of all, I remove these marks on the chart. It will be easy for us to look for that, right? Okay, you can zoom in first, because we need to find the angle. Always the gun fan is working well on the angle, because this theory based on the angle, it's a 45. Some software was not allow to draw 45, but nowadays most of the software it's allow you to put an angle. So here you can go over here, you will see trend angle, right? So you'll click on that, look for this low, right? So how to accurate, you can just do this magnet, look for low, plot it, then unclick and look for 45, right? So now we make this as 45. To easily look for this, I can put the color change to black, right? So later it helped me. Now you need to go for this icon, right? Once you go over here, you will see this gun fan, click on that. Same, you need to put on the exact dot on magnet, put over here, all right? Just put as first, then off magnet. Now you need to, you see this is the 1 and 1, that is the called the 45 angle. So here you need to adjust this, put exactly on earlier where you have plotted your 45, the black one, this one which we plotted over here. After that you need to do one thing, click on the right click, price scale, and lock your scale, right? Why we need to lock scale? Because you know, if you don't lock, then once you zoom in and zoom out, this will move, right? Okay, for your, so it's better to lock, and then you can see, right? So this is the how we do gun fan, so easy, so simple. And now you will see this how it helps you, right? So when it was starting here, maybe you have plotted over here or here also. So here you know it's in the uptrend, because it's still trading between these two lines, not breaking the previous swing low, is in the bullish trend, where you can see over here is a consolidation, right? Once consolidation, you need to see at this, right? This angle it takes supports, and then again it start to consolidation and unable to cross and sustain above this trend line. If it's managed, then you need to do one more thing, because you know every tools and strategy and the indicator not 100%, you need to use your some logic over there, right? So if I'm over here, what will I do? I'll put a straight line over here and wait. If it's break, then only I will go on the long. If not, I will wait for the short. So here if you draw a two simple line, right, it will make so easier for you to trade and take the right call and the right. See, if you do this one, right, you will avoid those the wrong trades or consolidation and all. You will only get a correct one, right? So this is how we draw for this. It helps us. Here you can see again when it's break this previous resistance, again take the resistance at consolidation at this near the trend line, unable to sustain, fall back. But this time have not crossed the below the swing low, right? This is the previous low. So when it is still is considered in the bullish trend, right? Here again support, right? Retest, have not break the previous low. Again over here at this time it break, right, and sustain, but fail again back over here. So this simple gun fan will help you to at least your profit book. If you are in this trade here, if you bought from here, right, how you know where you need to exit, right? You are trailing your stop loss all the way over here, and then you know here, okay, right, this is a place where is the resistance, then you will exit over here, right? Because at above here we don't have any chart, how we decide in the future, so it helps us to at least exit on that, right? So this is for that. And now I'll take the another example for that. Kotak Bank, you can take in the any bank also, right? So the first, what we need to do, we need to find swing low and then swing high. Okay, I need to first unlock the price scale. I'll put auto, right? Okay, here you can put or else here also. I will prefer to this one, this is the lowest one, so I'll put it over here. We'll go again, same, make triangle, magnet on, plot it over here, then magnet off, edges at 45, exit 45. Okay, done. Fan over here, gun fan, same, magnet on, plot it, just put it first, off magnet. This 1 and 1 we need to adjust. Alright, we already done magnet. Now go to price scale and lock. Alright, so now if we move, our chart will remain the same, gun fan remain the same one. Yeah, so here also you can see it's all giving you a hint where is support, where is resistance. When it's above breakout, this is called consider as a resistance. Again back to this trend line, and then this is consolidation, again fall back over here, right? So here you can see also, right? So at least you know where is your support and resistance for this stock. So now we can expect if it's break this, right, it's already break over here, right? If further fall, what is that, after 1848 we will see this stock will come to this 1770 nearby. If it's consolidation further, then it may comes over here and take this support. So this is the how we draw gun fan and make use of it in our daily trading. I request you, do not use this in your intraday, because I have not tested, so I cannot give any suggestion, but at least you can do it on the your daily time on your day chart, right? So this will help you in your trading. So I hope guys you like this video and my small efforts to make you understand how to plot this in gun fan on your chart. So if you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.